Manifesting my rich girl era took all the boldness in the world.
You're just not what we're looking for.
They said my name was too ethnic for the stage. What happened next will shock you. For years, I auditioned for Broadway shows, but never got any callbacks. So I decided to blaze my own trail. I networked with all the top artistic directors and Broadway producers. I have a gift for charming, influential people. It's always opened so many doors for me, and I knew it wasn't going to fail me now. I wrote a play that I knew would be a cultural hit. Edward loved everything about it. It was based on the life of my immigrant family. But then he hit me with a disappointing ultimatum. My heart sank. He said,
"You have to replace your Igbo name, Ebelechukwu, with one with more universal appeal. Otherwise, I can't present it to the theater's investors. It'd be too risky to market."
I told him my name means God's mercy, and I'd change it for no one. I took my talents to social media, me and my friends went viral, and my play and film deals made us all millionaires. Comment actress if you're a natural actress.